What's up, guys? It's like, what time is it? It's like, it's not 1:56. It's not 2 o'clock. It's fucking like 1 o'clock. Damn liar. What the hell are they doing, man? What the hell is going on here? I think, if I'm not mistaken, this bridge should be raising up, but there's a boat coming. Is it going up or what? Like, I don't see anything. Oh, no, it's any gas. I sure hope this boat comes before I need gas. There's a little boat coming. You know, I kind of want to see it, but then again, I'm about to just fucking lane split and get the fuck out of here. Alright, well. It's time, I think. It's time we find a different route. Oh shit, man. This fucking bike fucking surprises me all the damn time. We're gonna take a different bridge. Oh god, brick roads. Fuck. Does not feel very good on a very hard suspension. I guess we may be able to see what's the fucking hold up back there on that bridge. I ain't fucking shit holding that bridge up. Unless I can't see it. That's a green light for me, right? Yeah. Not for you guys. Fucking guy just ran a red light. Well, I guess he is an ambulance, but no, I don't think he is actually. Mobile ICU, whatever the hell that is. We may go get our grub on today too. I'm fucking hungry. Haven't ate anything this morning. Well, I ate like a Nutty Buddy thing. Whatever the fuck those things are. They're like wafers and peanut butter and chocolate. It's pretty good. You guys should probably try it. This is a Scooter. Hi, Scooter. I don't wave at scooters. The only thing I think about when I see a scooter is I bet they wish they had a real bike. Hi, motorcycle guys, or not. We'll never fuck you too. Say hi. Piss me off, man. They just get in my way when they fucking go slow. I mean, I'm not even all about speeding or anything like that, but fuck, just go at least the speed limit, you know? I mean, granted, I do drive faster than the speed limit on most of my treks. What's up, guy? Oh, damn, he was aggressive with that hand. He was like, "Chapow!" Let's get some sex juice, as Mr. Derek would say. Oh, you bastard, Garrett. Why? Why do you insist on putting your wallet in your backpack? Yes, I have a bag inside of the bag. Let me get that premium sex juice. Up, up, up. Oh yeah. Yeah. Up. Easy. Get that sex juice. $9. What? That shit's normally like $12. Damn. Now we gotta go over there to get some air in my tires. I think that's air. Air out of order? What the fuck is that shit about, man? Oh, it's fucking cost money anyways. Fuck that shit. I don't need air anyways. I don't feel like I do. Oh, look at the little girl go! Go, little girl, go! Look at her! Must be bicycle day or some shit. I'm in this Facebook group now. I wonder how you guys feel about this. At least the guys that ride motorcycles. No, there's only like 5 of you that actually watch these things, and I appreciate it. And I appreciate all 5 of you. But there's like this Facebook group that I'm in. I live in Jacksonville, Florida, if you guys don't know where I live. But it's like Jacksonville motorcycle meets or something like that. And it's just like a group that has a couple hundred people in it that they meet up, or that they like post on Facebook when they're gonna have like a motorcycle meet, and they do it like every fucking week. And I've been, I've only been a member for like a couple days now. I've been contemplating going to one of these meets that they have. It's not really like a meet, it's more like a meet and ride kind of thing. And that's like one thing about motorcycling that I think that I'm missing out on, is the aspect of having other motorcycles to ride with. Sure, me and my stepdad, we ride off and on, but for the most part, I don't really ride with anybody else, which is very, well, it's not weird. I know there's a lot of guys out there that ride by themselves all the time, but it is nice to be in a group and to be like accepted in a group. That's kind of what I wanted to talk about, was like acceptance and inclusion, I guess is the right word for it. Like inclusion into a group, or being accepted by another group. And that's what motorcycle, or like riding a bike, like instantly. Like as soon as that dealer or that guy on Craigslist or your hand-me-down motorcycle, or however you acquired your bike, as soon as you like get that motorcycle, like it's like you're accepted, just like that. Like it doesn't matter what bike you have or anything, you're accepted in a certain group of people that ride motorcycles, and you're accepted within the community. I mean, maybe with the exception of like some Harley Davidson dickheads, for the most part. At least that's from my experience that I found, that most everybody that I've ever met that rides motorcycles, the moment that I started riding mine, it was I was like an accepted member in that group. And it's like it's a super cool feeling to be accepted in something too. I mean, I wasn't like the most popular kid in the world when I grew up. I'm certainly not the most popular guy now, and I really don't want to be. I prefer to have a close group, grouping of friends, and only like 1 or 2 really, really good friends. Hello? Where's my phone? What has happened to my music? Oh, there it is. But yeah, I prefer to have like a small group of friends rather than be like Mr. Popular and shit, So yeah, it's not being like an extremely popular person and being accepted into a group of random people, pretty much. It's super cool. It's a super cool feeling, really. So if you have a motorcycle, get a motorcycle. There's no reason for you not to have one. I mean, other than being a fucking candy ass. See? Like, he doesn't even know who I am. But yet, he waves at me as if he's my friend. I ain't gotta go across the bridge. I think this bridge now has like a... Oh, could you fucking stop hitting your brakes? Fuckers. Make me shit my pants. I ain't got time for your pants shitting ability to fucking be shitting in my pants. Or something like that. Dear God. And they're getting on the interstate with me too. Son of a bitch. Like every one of these pants shitters up here are fucking getting on the interstate with me. Good thing I got like 100 horsepower on like a 300-pound bike to fucking get away from these pants shitters. I'm calling them pants shitters from now on, or shit pantsers. Shit pantsers. Shit pantser sounds better. Fucking shit pantsers. You not coming in front of my way, fucking shit pantser. Yeah, you gotta be careful on this bridge now. They got like what is it? Yeah. Speed enforced by aircraft. Holy shit. We will fucking slow our tits down. We would not be going tits to tank in this video. Normally I'd be fucking going 120 across this bridge, but fuck that. This shit gets patrolled by like aircraft and shit now. I think it's even got a speed camera. Hey, you slow down, yellow fucker. You're gonna get the damn cops over here, man. Don't you do it! Bumpity 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 bump! That's what this bridge is famous for. I don't see no airplanes though, so how the fuck is it enforced by it? Like, is a fucking helicopter gonna come down and fucking pull my ass over? What's up, guy? Fucking looking at me like you want my dick? Fucking give your girlfriend my dick. That's the damn show. You're still looking at me, you dick muncher! That's your new name, Dick Muncher. I'll call you Dick Muncher from now on. Oh, that was first, wow. I did a damn clean rev match into first. That's the fucking first time I've ever done that shit. Oh, my little dick flap was up. Son of a bitch. Everybody's seen my keyhole. Damn. Yeah, it sounds like pickles. It was fucking unexpected. Unexpected? Not unexpected. Can't talk. Waffle House, that sounds good too. I'm fucking hungry, man. No, God, what the fuck was that? Why are you driving like fucking a grandma? Oh, wait, you're a grandpa. That's why. Damn, son. Where'd you get that fucking BMW at? Ducati! I don't like your ass. I don't like Ducatis, guys. It's nothing against the bike. They're beautiful bikes. I just don't like them. Never met a guy that was a fucking cool dude that fucking drove like a Ducati. Just that never fucking happened for me. And we are at Cycle Gear, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the recording here in a minute. Bow, bow, bow. Go down, down. Down, down, down. What the hell's going on with these guys? Alright, guys, we are back. It's like a black guy bike meet or some shit. And I'm not a black guy, so I can't really fit in with them. I could try, but I just don't think it would happen. What the fuck's with my helmet? It's crooked. It was a cricket. Cricket. Nope, you're not on yet, are you? You are not on. Hello, Siri. Oh, you're not Siri. You're like Senna. Isn't there a Chick-fil-A right over here? I think so. If there's not, I'm gonna be fucking depressed. There is a Chick-fil-A. Fuck! It's Sunday! God! Bullshit! Bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. God damn it. It's Sunday. Fuck, I was looking forward to, man. Fucking Chick-fil-A, man. Fuck. Fucking Chick for fucking lay. What the hell? Fucking fuck. Fuckity fuckity fuck. Fuck fuck fuck. Fuckity fuck fuck fuck. Fuck. Whatever. Ah, you fucking ass munch. You guys hear that? You guys hear that exhaust? Did you guys hear that exhaust? Because I can hear that exhaust. I hope you guys can hear that exhaust. I paid a lot of money for that exhaust. If you guys can't hear that exhaust, I'm going to be highly disappointed. And that's like super cool to me, man. Like, people don't normally do shit like that for me. But he's like a really cool guy. He's really fucking, like, kick back. Wait, I've already been this way once, haven't I? Oh, I think I have. I'ma go eat me a burger. I'm gonna get the biggest fucking burger I can get. Get the biggest burger I can get. I'm gonna get all the fries I can eat. I'm gonna be a complete fucking badass. Yeah, there is not going to be a damn bit of parking in here right now. If you're on the crosswalk, I'll stop for you, but if you're not on the crosswalk, you gotta yield to me, asshole, not the other way around. Do 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 do. The fuck are we stopping for? And we park right here. Doop. We get our own special parking. If I can get my... Oh, it's down. Huh. Look at there. Looky fucking there. Well, guys, am I still recording? Yes, I am. Well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and call this a motovlog today. Appreciate your views, appreciate your likes, whatever you guys want to leave in the comment box, do so. But hey, it's a Christmas tree with presents. Look at that. It's fucking December. All these people out here enjoying stuff and things. But anyways, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Tune in next time for more motovlog action. And I will see you guys next time.